Hello learners. In this tutorial we will be learning a new and important topic of CSS, box model, CSS border, padding and margin. So let's start. The CSS border property specifies the style, width and color of an element's border. Border style. The border style property specifies what kind of border to display. Property values include dotted, dashed, solid, double, groove, ridge, inset, outset, none, hidden. You can specify the border style of each side as per sides like border top style, border right style, border bottom style, border left style. If you give 4 values to border style property, the style will be applied in the sequence top, right, bottom, left. If you give 3 values in border style, the first value will be applied to top, the second value will be applied to right and left, the third value will be applied to bottom. And if you give 2 values to border style property, the first value will be applied to top and bottom sides, the second value will be applied to right and left sides. 3. Border color. This property is used to set the color of the 4 borders. Border color, red. 4. Border width. The border width property specifies the width of the 4 borders. The width can be set as a specific size in various units like px, cm, m, etc. Border, 2px solid red. This is a shorthand property of border in which we specify all 3 property values in one property in a sequence. Border radius. This property is used to add rounded borders to an element. Border radius, 5px. Let's see a quick demonstration for all the properties of borders we have seen till now. First, let's see how border style properties work for different number of property values we give to it, that is when we give 2 values, when we give 3 values and when we give 4 values. Now let's understand box model, one of the most important topics of CSS. Visualize this image shown. If we write any HTML element, the space between its border and element is called padding, and the space outside the border of the element is called margin. It can be increased or decreased through CSS. Let's learn in details. The padding is the space between the element and the border. Padding is the space around an element inside a defined border. Padding can be added using property name called padding. Example, padding, 5px. Padding can also be added to different sides individually using property names like padding top, padding left, padding bottom, padding right. Let's see a quick demonstration of how it works. The margin is the space outside the border of any element. Margin can be added using property name margin. Example, margin, 5px. Margin can also be added to different sides individually using property names like margin top, margin left, margin bottom, margin right. Let's see a quick demonstration of how it works. I would request you all to please comment your suggestions for further improvements in the tutorial. This was all in this video. Thanks for watching this video. Like this video, share with your friends and subscribe to this channel.